learn the vowel sounds. In the English language, the vowel sounds can be grouped into the monophthongs, 12 of them, diphthongs, 8 of them, and triphthongs, 5 of them. The monophthongs are conventionally numbered, and they are E, seat, sit, bet, bad, farm, pot, bought, put, pool, umbrella, girl, and teacher. The diphthongs are I as in I, oi as in boy, as in say, as in ear as in ear, as in sure, L as in go, ow as in how. The triphthongs are 5, and they are I as in higher, A as in layer, O as in royal, L as in sower, and hour as in tower. Note that the English language vowel sounds are grouped into monophthongs, otherwise known as the pure vowels, and they are 12. Diphthongs, otherwise known as the glides or double vowels, and there are 8. And then we have the triphthongs that are otherwise known as the triple vowels, and there are 5. I hope this was helpful. I am Medican Francis, so I ensure that you speak right.